hello. It's Yay, aka Madish_Yay. And today I would like to discuss what is Acorns as well as other things you should consider before investing with Acorns. So this video is going to be divided into 5 sections: what, how, when plus where, why, as well as other things you should consider before investing with Acorns. So what is Acorns? Acorns is an investing app that helps you solve the problem of what you should do with your spare change. How does Acorns achieve this mission? It does this by using 3 methods: roundups, found money, as well as automatic withdrawals. So roundups, let's say you spend 50 cents, that can be rounded up to $1, right? So that 50 cents will be invested. The second method is found money. Let's say you go to a gas station. What gas station do you go to? Let me know down below. So you go to a gas station, but I'm just going to say Chevron for example, because I know for specific purposes and for this video they use Chevron. So you go to Chevron, you buy your gas, you're able to invest 25 cents. I know it's not a lot, but it's something. So yeah, gotta start somewhere, right? So yeah, that's where we're starting at. The third method is automatic withdrawals. I use this. So let's say you want to be aggressive in the market. You can decide what amount you would like to invest every week, and Acorns will deduct that amount from your bank account. $10, $25, whatever the case might be, you let them know, boom, it's taken. It's taken. Yeah, well, it's taken for a good reason. You want to be aggressive, you want to get in that market. You don't have no responsibilities, you don't have child support and etc. to pay or to spend, whatever the case might be. So you want to be aggressive for your future, right? I think it's a good investment, so do it if you can, obviously. So I have discussed what, how. Now let's discuss when and where. Well, the link is available 24/7. The website is available 24/7. But just for you, just because I wanted to make it easier for you, if you go down below to my description box, there's a link. Once you hit that link, I must mention that it is a referral link. But once you hit that link, you follow the instructions, you have an account. Yay! Good. So you can be like me and you can start investing. But there are some things that you should consider before you start investing or before you go down to that link. You need to ask yourself, are you a citizen or a resident of the United States? Do you have a social security number? And are you 18 years or older? If you meet all of those requirements, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that link. I just wanted to tell you because I didn't want you to waste your time. But yeah, so okay, I've discussed what, I've discussed when plus where, how. Let's discuss why I decided to use Acorn. I did forget something. When you go to that link, do not worry about, oh, I need to have $25 right now to invest. No, you don't. There's no specific requirements, or there's no minimum requirement that you need to start investing. Once you sign up, you follow those instructions, you have an account. Then you can decide later on whether you want to be like me and do automatic withdrawals, or you just want to do the roundups. It's up to you. You can be as aggressive as you want, right? It's your money. But I would just say start now. Investing is for the future. You're not going to see the returns right now, but maybe in 5 years you would like to withdraw your money. Let your money make you money. Okay? That's all I'm saying. So why did I decide to invest and why did I decide to use Acorns? I decided to use Acorns because I wanted to be aggressive in the market. I took this class and the professor was really like on us that you need to start. You guys are young now. Why don't you start investing now? You need to start. You need to start. And those are the words that I use in my blog posts. You like that? Thanks. So if you go down below into the description box, there's a link. When you press that link, you will find my blog post, and I discuss in further details why I decided to use Acorns, and I also give my own personal experiences with this app. I tell you that initially I was skeptical about using this app. I tell you that, and I tell you some other things, but I just wanted to let you know that that link down below is available. So just go ahead and press it and you will know my story. But I was skeptical in the beginning. If you don't believe me, just go read the story. It's there. I provide screenshots. Let me also discuss some other things that you should consider before investing with Acorns. Now, I want to tell you, I am not a financial professional, okay? I am telling you why I like this app. I do like it. I still use it, and I'm just giving you my own synopsis of Acorns. Please conduct your own research, but I will tell you this, I do like it. I genuinely do like it. I still use it to today, as well as the team, the support team, the contact team, that team. If you have any questions, they are readily available. Again, if you go read my blog post, you will know that I had to contact them, and it was a smooth ride. So again, just go read it. If you don't believe me, go read it down below. Also, I will say, like, if you forget your password or something, you will have to go through hoops, because their main priority is your safety as well as protecting your account and your identity, right? So you will have to provide your social security number, you will have to provide your address, etc., etc. So I do like that about the app. So you're just not like, okay, so where's my money going, blah blah blah. You can actually see it as well, because they have some projections. Obviously it can change, because the market, nobody knows. Today's doing very well, your stock might be doing very well, then tomorrow it goes doo, 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 doo. So nobody really knows, but it's a good way to have an idea of how your money can make you money in the future, right? Oh my gosh, my battery is about to die. So yes, I've discussed all those things, and unfortunately, because of my battery dying, I think I'm gonna have to say see you later. But first, and even though we have to go, we have to part for now, I will see you next week, right? When you hit that subscribe button, when you like this video, as well as when you hit that notification bell, so you don't miss another video. Before then, make sure you check this video right here so that you can watch another insightful as well as entertaining video. Okay, my battery is dying, so I have to see you next time.